come from Italy and I'm traveling on a 55-year-old Vespa all around the world. I started 6 years ago from Italy and I went all around Europe and from Europe all around Africa, then Central Asia, Arab countries, and now I am on the way to go to India, to Australia, and then America and back to Italy. So it's a complete world tour right now, and I came back to Pakistan because I was here in November and I decided, I mean, Pakistan is so beautiful, the people is so amazing, so I want to visit Pakistan during summer. So I came back from India to enjoy Unza, to enjoy Skardu and all these valleys, and this was my plan. This is the reason now I am here and in this beautiful country. First time was amazing. The people treat me super well. This Pakistan is one of the most welcoming country in the world. Really, the people always host me, give me food, give me hospitality, place to sleep. Everyone is always smiling when I talk with them, even if they don't. We don't understand each other because maybe sometimes they don't speak English. But there is always a smiling waiting for me here in Pakistan. And this is when you travel alone is the best thing. The best thing. I mean, to have people to talk with and to enjoy every day like this. If I can tell you something is, come to visit the landscape of Pakistan, come to meet the people of Pakistan, and come to Pakistan to enjoy mangoes and all the fruits there are here during summer, because mangoes are the best mangoes in the world, and I love mangoes. Pakistan Zindabad. Pakistan Zindabad.